John Quincy Adams said, if your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, or become more, then you are a leader. How you doing? My name is Thomas Nestor, author of best-selling book Life 180 and founder of Academy of Excellence. And if you're an educator, administrator, you work with the youth of the world, listen up. I have just interviewed 30 principals across the nation, some in person, some on the phone, and I asked them this one question: what is the biggest struggle you have as an administrator, as an educator? And the three answers were very interesting. The first answer was mandates without money. They're asking you to bring your standards up. They're asking you to do more, but they're not giving you the resources to do it. Number two was viewing parents as roadblocks. You're just butting heads with the parents, and instead of helping you, they're actually hurting you. And the third thing was that they were frustrated by lost students. You know, depression, suicide, bullying, parent-teacher burnout. These are serious issues, and they're all at an all-time high. Now, just in case you don't know me or you don't know who I am or why you should listen to me, I'm a business owner. I own 3 different companies. Not only that, I struggled with alcohol addiction, I struggled with drug abuse, and I'm happy to say that I'm celebrating my 10th year without any alcohol and without any drugs in my life. Now, enough bragging about myself. I've taken it upon myself to study 100 years of leadership. The top leaders, world leaders, in the past 100 years, to see if I could find patterns or best practices. After my interviews, I thought to myself, how on earth can I help these authority figures? How on earth can I help these administrators, these educators? And so what I've done is I've put all that information in a free ebook for you. The book is called The Leadership Revolution: How on Earth Do I Lead? A mentor of mine, he said, Tom, a rising tide floats all boats. And it's your duty, if you have the knowledge, to help these educators with what you have. And so that's what I'm doing. If you enter your name and your email in the box on the screen, I'm going to instantly send you a free copy, digital download of The Leadership Revolution: How on Earth Do I Lead? If I can add value and you can add value by taking a stance, and that stance is to inspire them by our actions, that we can both lead this country to bigger and better things. I want to thank you for coming to my website today. Thank you for putting that information, and I hope you enjoy the book. I'll talk to you soon.